What up, guys and girls, men and women? Today, I'm gonna teach you a step-by-step of how you can make $20,000 plus on Instagram without ever showing your face. With this strategy I'm gonna teach you, you probably can make $100,000 a month. I'm gonna give you the blueprint. This is gonna be a step-by-step. This is gonna be a video for even the dummies, okay? This is gonna be the most hand-holding you're gonna get. Step one. Download an Instagram. Everybody and their mamas have an Instagram. But if you're an alien and you're new to planet Earth, you go to the App Store, download IG. After you download Instagram, or if you already have Instagram, think about the time when you're scrolling on Reels, okay? And you see an entrepreneur video, or you see highlights on basketball, or whatever the case may be, right? But these videos are viral. So what you're going to do is you're going to find, firstly, a niche. What is it? Is it entrepreneurship? Is it sports? Is it memes? Self-development? And you find this niche, okay? You pick this niche. Let's just say we pick entrepreneurship. We selected this niche. Now you're gonna go look for the most viral entrepreneurship videos out there on Reels, on TikToks. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab these videos and repurpose them and post it on your Instagram. Because if that video went viral before, it will probably go viral again. Now, are you following me? You're gonna keep doing it. You're gonna keep finding more viral videos in that entrepreneurship niche. And you're gonna keep posting it on your page. Posting it, finding, posting. All of a sudden, your videos are going viral. You're getting 10, 20, 30, 40, 100,000, 500,000 followers. Hundreds of thousands of views. Even millions. And now you got an Instagram, a faceless Instagram. Nobody even knows it's being ran by you, that has viral content in the entrepreneurship space or any niche that you picked, okay? If it's, for example, if it's sports, it'll be all basketball. If you pick basketball, viral basketball content. But you got all this viral content of entrepreneurship videos. It could be a video of me talking, it could be a video of Joe Schmo, it could be a video of Bill Gates speaking, just viral clips. And people are gonna follow you because you have a niche specifically and you're providing value to them because it's virality. Now the next step is, how do you make money, right? That's the million-dollar question. How do you make money? Hey SnewJ, how am I gonna make money doing this? Because I'm posting viral clips, but is that it? No. Now, since you got a pop in IG, tons of followers, great engagement, viral videos, brands are gonna start contacting you to promote their stuff. You could do it through story, you could do it through your feed. They'll probably send you their little video clips or give you a script on how to promote their product, their service, and they'll pay you $2 grand, $4 grand, 10 grand, 20 grand per promo, depending on the size of your Instagram, depending on your followers, depending on your engagement. But it's a numbers game, remember that. Even if it's $500 a pop, if you're first starting with the brand deals, that all adds up. If you get 5 brand deals a month and they wanna pay you 4 to 5 grand each, that's well over 20K already. Now just to hold your hand just a little more, because I want you guys to succeed. When you're finding these viral videos on Instagram that you want to repost and repurpose on your own, sometimes they're gonna have watermarks, or sometimes they're gonna have certain things that you don't want in the video that you wanna rip. There are apps and websites that remove that for you. Just go on Google, it's a simple Google search. Just go on Google and type in watermark remover. Or if you want to get a video from TikTok and remove the watermark from TikTok, go to snaptic.com. I believe that's what it's called. There's tons of websites that removes watermarks or anything that you don't want, so that way you can repurpose it. So ladies and gents, this isn't rocket science. I just literally gave you the blueprint. I told you exactly what to do. You don't even have to show your face. Create another Instagram account, start finding some viral clips, pick a niche, repost, grow that Instagram account, and watch the brand deals come pouring in. And you can also reach out to brands as well once your Instagram has enough engagement. There are tons of IGs out there that post faceless videos just like this one. They just stick to a niche and they make hella money. I'm talking crazy money every month just by posting viral content. I cannot stress this enough. Every video I make, there is a ton of value. There's a ton of value in this video. I just gave you a step-by-step, a blueprint on how to make money on IG without ever showing your face. My next question comes to, what are you gonna do? What's the next step? Are you in a position in your life where you're struggling? Are you in a position in your life where you don't know what to do? Well, I got tons of videos of side hustles and people stories and entrepreneur stories and how to create successful businesses and all over my channel. Let alone this video right now can make you money tomorrow. You gotta put in the work. There's people watching, right? You get inspired, a light bulb turns on, and you're ready to go. You're like, okay, cool, like I'm ready to start this, let me do this. And then you try it for a couple days, maybe a couple of weeks, and then you kind of just quit and give up. Stop quitting. Stick to something, give it 110%, and go all the way through with it. And if something isn't working, you have to adjust. You have to adapt. You have to figure out, okay, if this video is not going viral, let me find another video that's gonna go viral possibly, and let me post that. Let me be patient. Let me do it step by step, brick by brick, day by day, and see where it takes me. Stop quitting so early. A lot of y'all want fast money. A lot of y'all want that quick cash. You think you're gonna be rich tomorrow. That's not how the world works. You gotta put the work in. We're all here to help each other, right? We're all here to provide value to each other. So if you're doing things for your own monetary gain, you are never going to be successful. And I say this a lot. This Instagram thing that I'm telling you to do, this Faceless Instagram thing, will provide value to other people, whether that's entertainment in sports, whether that's entrepreneurship in finance, teaching people how to make money, or motivating them or inspiring them. This is providing value. You are helping other people. Ask yourself at the end of the day, are you doing this just for yourself, or are you doing this for people that you care about, like your family or your friends? And even extend beyond that. Strangers, are you helping strangers change their lives? Sorry for the rant. Sorry if this is a little unorganized towards the end. It just pisses me off when there's tons of value out there in my channel, let alone, and people ask the question, oh, what do I do next? I just literally gave you the breakdown. I just literally gave you the blueprint. Sometimes y'all ask questions that you already know the answer to. But, you know, like I said, on SnewJ Knows, we're here to level up together. I even created a private community, which a lot of you guys are in, with entrepreneurs, with like-minded individuals, with aspiring entrepreneurs, where we all get to talk to each other. We all get to collaborate and bounce ideas like this one that I just gave you. We have live calls from successful individuals every week where we can ask them questions. We can learn about investing. We can learn about real estate. We can learn about growing businesses. It's a beautiful community. And if you aren't in a solid network where people are holding you accountable, where you all can level up together and learn from each other, then it's gonna be really tough for you to elevate your life. So that's why I have that private community. If you wanna join it, click that link in the description below. Like I always say, if it's not my community, it has to be a community with like-minded individuals, okay? But I think I got the best community in the game. But make sure you're with a group of people that are striving towards the same thing. They're all trying to level up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new. I hope y'all are good, taking care of your spiritual, your mental, your physical, looking out for your loved ones, because remember, your own monetary pleasure is not sustainable for your life. You can have all the cars and the houses and the riches in the world, but if you aren't helping other individuals, your family, your friends, strangers, you're not helping them change their lives, your life will always be empty and never be fulfilling.
Yeah, I'm on a big vibe, beachside, cool breeze, stroll eyes. Yeah, on this late night, see a little baddie, yeah, she I'ma just say when we try, baby, leave it all behind on the free mind lately. Good things come around.